Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today as we review the new Bike of the Week. I'm Kyle, I'm the lead fit specialist here at East Orlando Harley Davidson. This week's pick is the 2019 CVO Street Glide. This bike comes in 3 different colors, this color being Black Forest. This bike comes with a 117 cubic inch motor, only available in the CVO models. This allows you to have more thrilling acceleration and better passing capability. The intakes and exhaust on this bike, this is the Screaming Eagle ventilator air cleaner, the intake, and the exhaust is the Screaming Eagle 4-inch muffler, which allows you to have maximum airflow capability and improve exhaust flow capability. This bike also has the 19-inch front wheel, 18-inch turbine rear wheel, which allows the contrast in chrome and contrast anodized. Also available on this bike has heated grips for those cold days that you're riding. It allows you to set the temperature so your hands don't get too chilly and you'll be able to have a comfortable long ride. This bike has the new Kahuna collection, which has the red bar and shield on some of the components around the bike, such as the grips, the seats, the tank, your shifter and floor pedals. This bike also comes with the new Boombox GTS infotainment system, which has 6 speakers and 4 tweakers on there. So when you're riding, you're going to have a lot of capability to hear your songs and be in the moment and enjoy yourself. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more content on bikes, rider hacks, customization hacks, and more. For a test ride, just stop by at one of our 3 Central Florida shops. As always, I want to thank you for checking out our Bike of the Week. But before you go, let's do a proper Orlando Harley send-off with a little Rumble Vision for your listening pleasure. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more content on bikes, rider hacks, customization hacks, and more. For a test ride, just stop by at one of our 3 Central Florida shops.